And here you have Caldo de Mariscos or Mexican 7 Seas seafood soup. And now I'm gonna show you how to make it.
Here I have 3 liters of water. We're gonna need half an onion. And here I have half an octopus chopped in pieces. And here I have 2 chopped white potatoes, 2 chopped carrots. This is optional. 2 sour prickly pears. They're called choconosles. They give it a special flavor. We're also gonna need 5 guajillo peppers. We're gonna remove this part and remove most of the seeds. If you want it spicy, we're also gonna need some chile de árbol peppers. So now the pan is hot. We're gonna add some cooking oil. We're gonna add 2 cloves of garlic and the dry peppers. And we're gonna add 5 peppers and 5 cloves. So I added half a cup of water and I'm also gonna add a tomato and 3 bay leaves and salt to taste. Now we're gonna add it here. And we're gonna add seafood mix. It's calamari, another seafood. I'm also gonna add some shrimp at the end and some clams. You can also use fish. And when they're almost ready, we're gonna add some broccoli. And I also have some shrimp and some clams. And finally, we're gonna add some cilantro. And now it's ready, we're gonna give it a try. And now we're gonna try the Caldo de Mariscos or 7 Seas seafood soup. I'm gonna add some lime.
Now let's try my favorite part, the choconosles.
My friends, this soup is delicious. When you make it, you're gonna love it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please share it with your friends. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get a notification when I upload new recipes like this. Thank you and have a great day. See you next time.